Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the first video on this channel. And today I would like to discuss about interview process at Walmart for software engineer 3 QA. So as I discussed in my previous video that I work in Walmart as software engineer, so I wanted to discuss about what is the platform that I applied from, what is the interview process, how many rounds of interviews are there, and what they ask for, like the questions they ask and everything in between. So we will discuss it all. So keep watching. Okay. So I have my diary with me. So starting with what is the job portal I applied for. So I applied from InstaHire. I'm not sure if everyone knows about it, but it's a very good platform to apply for big fortune companies. So I applied from there, and it took around 2 to 3 weeks for the HRs to get back to me. And the major ask for the role was like Java, CI/CD pipelines, coding efficiency. They were asking for DSA, that's for sure. And other than that, all the QA stack that we have in industry. So yeah, this was the role that I applied for, and the portal was InstaHire. Okay, so talking about the round one, interview round one. So after the recruiter has gone through my resume, she called me and checked with me availability for the interview round one. Also, we had a discussion about the expectations the company have and what were my expectations, everything in between. We had a discussion on that, and after that she scheduled one interview round. Now talking about the questions that I was asked in the round one was, so the interview start with very basic Java questions. She started off very easy. She asked me basic Java questions like strings, arrays and everything, and slowly she moved to the tougher part. She gave me two questions to solve. One was with strings and one was with graphs. So I solved both of them, and then she asked me to write an optimized code. That was a major ask in the interview. She wanted a code which was more optimized and a good working code. So after that is done, she told me that recruiter will reach out to me, and that's it. This was the first round of interview. Yeah. So for interview round two, the recruiter reached out to me after like 6 to 7 days, telling me that you have cleared the round one and we will be moving forward with the round two. And I told her that I will be needing 2 to 3 days before the round two because I wanted to prepare a little. So yeah, after that my round two was scheduled, and talking about the questions of round two. So it was mostly about what I had written in my resume. All the QA stack she was asking about, and then how APIs are built, how the scenarios are written, what is the Gen AI tools that I have used till now, like how I leverage AI for my testing. So these kind of questions were there in the interview. And mostly there were questions about Playwright also. It's a very new technology in market and it's very good. So yeah, these were the basic questions that she asked me, and in last again she told me that recruiter will reach out to you and you will have to wait. And that was it for the round two. And here comes the tough part, the waiting part. After around 8 to 9 days, recruiter reached out to me telling me that you have cleared the round two. Now you will be moving forward to round three. And I was so relieved because like it's a Walmart. So I wanted to crack it. Okay, so for round three, the interview was scheduled, and it was uh, mostly techno managerial round where a manager has joined, to which I will be reporting if I join. So he mostly asked me about like how I manage my tasks, how I efficiently I can work, multitasking, why I want to join Walmart. Like these were the basic questions. I think everybody can crack it if you are good with your communicating skills. So yeah, this was the round three. Okay, here comes the best part. So after round three, a recruiter reached out to me like instantly. After 10 to 15 minutes only, she called me and told me that you have been selected and your offer letter will be released soon. And I was so happy because all my hard work has shown me the results. So yeah, that was it. 3 rounds of interviews were completed, and after 10 days, I got the offer letter from Walmart Labs. And thank you for spending your time with me, listening about my interview process and everything. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. And any feedback is appreciated. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.